Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to 2013 Incomplete Records question. We're moving on to the next, our last two expenses, insurance and rent. So starting with the insurance, 3,000 was paid out during the year for insurance. However, there was at the start of the year 3 months insurance prepaid, which comes to 430 we see over there in the corner. So 430, that was 3 months insurance for the first 3 months of this year. Even though it was prepaid, it was paid last year for this year, so it must be included in this year's account. So plus 430. But then if it says, as it does here, that the 2,400 here, the annual premises insurance premium was 3,000. If it's an annual premium, it means it's a premium for 1 year. It means that that's for the remaining 9 months of this year and the first 3 months of the following year. But because we only want information for this year going into this trading profit and loss account, we want to take off the 3 months of next year's January, February, March. We want to take that from this 3,000. So if that's 12 months worth, then 3 months is going to be divided by 4 will give us 3 months, won't it? 750 is 3 months. So we want to subtract that 750 because that's for the first 3 months of next year. And so if we total the three of them there, then we get insurance figure of 2,680, I think it is. Okay, next the rent, and it says this rent was for 1 year, but down here it says the figure for rent was in respect of an adjoining building rented by Kelly on the 1st of August. So it's going to be rent for a year, but not all of those 12 months are 12 months of the current year that we're accounting for at the moment. So it's only months in 2012 that we want to account for. Furthermore, it says it was payable in advance, and Kelly estimated that half of the building was used as a private residence. So half of it was private, so Kelly should be paying half of the rent from himself, and the business should be paying half of the rent. So the first thing we might do is we might subtract half of this, because half of it was drawings. So subtracting half of that means minus 11,400, leaving us with 11,400. So the remaining is for 1 year's rent for half the building. But again, Kelly has only started renting it on the 1st of the 8th, so there's only 5 months left in 2012. So the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th, and the 12th month. So what we want to do is take that figure of 11,400 and multiply by 5/12, so divide by 12, multiply by 5 if you prefer, and gives us a figure of 4,750. So we want our figure here to be 4,750. Currently it's 11,400, so we need to subtract the difference. What we could do is calculate what the 7 months should be, because that'll be the difference. 6,650. So, and it leaves us what we should be paying is 4,750 if we were to tot all of that up. Okay.